Rusty, you got your skates on, buddy?
Nope.
You're gonna need them to get way out there, dude.
Is it going?
It's going now.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
All right, guys. Here we are, Boxing Day, and we had a little surprise. I think if you guys remember the scx24 deadbolt that I did a little preview on, well, that wasn't actually for me. That was actually for Zack. That's Russell's little feller. So today, we've got the scx24 deadbolt, and we brought out the Panda Hobby 6x6. And let the kids take them for a run. So here we go, guys. How it does.
Keep an eye on your truck and just squeeze easy on the truck.
Good job.
There, look at that. That's awesome.
See if you can come out of it.
Perfect. Perfect.
My little poking stick. Let's give it a little poke. There we go.
Tiger. Right across here. Just slow. Very slow. That way. Whoa.
Back up just a little bit and give her a shot.
Yeah, now go that way. Now go. Awesome job, buddy.
There you got her. You're good. You're still on your wheels. Oh, no, you're not on your wheels now. That's all right. We got sticks and everything going on. No, take your time. Just easy on the trigger. Oh, there you go again. So if you remember, guys, I did a little video where I set up the suspension a little differently, and I took all the foams out of the tires. So this is actually the first run out with the little Panda Hobby with the full drop suspension and no tire foams. So we'll see how it does. There you go. There you go. Good job. Oh, perfect. Back and forth. Work it. There you go. Hard to get traction on that ice, isn't it, bud? There you go. You got her. Perfect. That's all right. Keep driving. Maybe you'll get rid of it. There's the little dead bolt. Just giving her. Oh. See if you can back out, Zach. Try it again. Almost. All right, Dad, get in there. Try to get wet. Turn left. There you go. Oh, you're right in the same hole I was in. All right, Rusty, can you get that one too? Usually it's hand of God, but it looks at things it's Russell's stick of God. There you go, buddy. Give her. Let's give it a little poke. There you go.